What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is about detailing, and a friend of mine just dropped off his Toyota 86 and wants me to perform a full decontamination, polishing, and of course the coating application. So this car is bought off from a recon dealer, which in Malaysia the recon dealers usually give the car a polish or maybe a clear coat spray job before they sell the car to you. So fortunately for this car, after I just checked the paint, there was no clear coat paint job done, but they did polish the car. So there's a significant amount of damage on the car, which I am not sure how much I can remove. So I guess it's up to us to find out together. So let me just show you the car first. So this is a car, comes with a Tom's body kit, which is quite rare apparently. Look it up, original Tom's. Yeah, so the car is more of a track oriented car, so that's why the mismatched wheels. C28 on the front, XXR wheels on the back, and it's pretty decent. So I am gonna start with the washing, and then the decontamination, and then the polishing, and then finally the coating application. So stay tuned guys for the cinematic, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Hey. Drive through the sunshine, fill you up and down, girl, I won't lie. Where the fuck are you, where you been at? I gotta live my life, I won't come back. Building my stack and I'm missing you. I just gotta fear that you just lost it. What the fuck must we do? I really gotta grind for this old profit. My fault and my ambitions. It's my fucking tough mind, I'm trying to die so I get the Inquisition. Foxtail when we chillin' in the time still. 5 passports when we ride wheels. Surviving all the wars in the king courts. So the word when I see you with the airports. Like July 4th, fuck the world when I got you on my fucking mind, it's time, and I'm never ever gonna be without you. Damn, but I wanna know when to take you home. For the record, shit a bag of bones, man. I don't ever wanna feel alone. What? Ride through, we getting past our thing though. We wanna fight too. They gotta take that pen and write it on the low. But we go low, and I don't feel that, ay. But we just wanted to be all alone, baby. Not part of the shit real and certain not with you. Part of the shit we talking about, I wanna make you all special. But we don't know, we sitting back and I'm on it, babe. I don't fuck around with ya, nobody ever wanna come correlate. Or control me, just control me till we gon' celebrate. The feelings are so lost, I gotta keep my mind on the fucking featherweight,
Oh yeah, you run back, you come knocking on my door. I don't answer, no. You come back, you contact me on my phone. I won't answer, no. You've been ready, I'ma tell you forget it. You want steady, now that you come back begging. You've been ready, I'ma tell you forget it. You so pretty, but your name are so petty. Caught in my ways and I'm on my own, but being this way don't mean I'm alone. Always on planes, my phone is on roam. Champagne to my room, cigar in my robe. I'll keep moving up till there's nowhere to go. Keep living life with my 2 younger bros. We go out at night, table service and all. Nights try to holler, no time for these hoes. Caught up with V, spoke to Inez. Thought about Nick, but had dinner with Jess. Talked about life and what I'm doing next, but I'm living right now and not thinking ahead. She asked why I'm single, I'm not ready yet. I'm looking for wow, I won't settle for less. I changed the subject about her life instead, but she flipped it right back at me, making me stress. I haven't thought about her in a minute. I've been too busy with work in the city. I know she doing her thing independent. She has a husband, I don't wanna wreck it. If things could be different, could it actually be different? I look at pictures and start reminiscing. If we met each other sometime in the future, it could have worked out, but too bad it didn't. I'm way committed on staying committed to all of my goals and to none of these women. I have a vision that's keeping me driven. I'm trying to stay focused, temptation is ringing. Do I pick up and just see how she doing? If I hear her voice again, that might just do it. Trying to stand ground, but she's worth pursuing. With all of our history, will it be ruined? Feelings aside, the timing ain't right. But if you were here, I'd be honest, baby. You take all my time and the stinging aside, yeah, I would straight drop it, baby. So it's a good thing we in different states, otherwise shit be poppin', baby. But we both grind and do it proper, baby. Congratulations, yeah. You find a way to run back to me. You find a way to come back, but you've been ready. I'ma tell you, forget it. You won't steady now that you come back begging. You've been ready. I'ma tell you, forget it. You so pretty, but your name are so petty. Yeah, that's better. I think we got one, baby. Woo!
I am done with the 86, like finally. So just finished shooting all the video footage of the car, and I've just parked it in front of my house, and damn, it looks good. Check this out, guys. Looking sexy, right, guys? Just wanted to show you guys, just in case you guys missed it on the cinematic sequence, right? I want to show you guys that I was able to achieve this type of result on the paint. If you see that small little line, those are just the wiping marks from the final wipe down. But if you guys notice that it has almost no swirls at all, that is freaking crazy. I didn't expect this to happen, but it did happen. And the car is looking amazing, guys. Really, really amazing. So it's totally worth the 20 hours that I spent on the car. And damn, I'm really gonna miss this car after I send it back to my client. And I guess that's the end of the video. So like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button on the side to get instant notification on new videos, and I'll see you guys soon.